Can algorithmic content moderation at scale ensure a safer online environment? And how to make sure that human oversight remains a key accountability mechanism in content moderation decisions? And can AI help to prioritize constructive comments to positively reinforce public debate online? Finally, how to ensure transparency and explainability of content moderation decisions? These were some of the themes that we discussed during the AI4Media Workshop on content moderation in February 2023. Each participant to a roundtable shared what they considered the main challenges when working with AI-enabled content moderation tools. The most predominant challenge related to data, both in terms of access and diversity, but also data protection concerns. Equally, lack of contextual understanding and clear definitions posed a major challenge to the industry actors. And there was also a lack of shared evaluation frameworks and difficulties in gaining insights in how these AI content moderation systems actually work. So the workshop also provided findings and potential ways forward that could enable the responsible use of AI in content moderation and alleviate some of the identified challenges. To read more about the good practices and way forward, see our AI4Media results in brief on AI in content moderation on our AI4Media website.